We have someone who made a credible claim. The chairman even thanked her for her bravery. Well, where is the bravery in this room? This rush, when in fact we could have a finite period of time to interview a finite period of witnesses, someone who she alleges was in the very room where it happened. We are not able to even cross-examine them, ask them questions. We're not allowing the FBI to go in there and tell him to his face that you're going to get in criminal trouble if you don't answer these questions correctly. Instead, we get a letter behind the veil of a law firm. That's not the same thing. We have a polygraph expert. Yesterday, I put that polygraph exam on the record. People were bristling over there and said, well, we want to see the charts. Well, we would be happy to have the polygraph expert testify and explain how this was verified. And yes, as Judge Kavanaugh pointed out, this is not a test that is admissible in court. But guess what? We use it for job interviews. We use it for the FBI. We use it for the Defense Department. We use it for the CIA. And the nominee himself has even said that this is useful to use for those purposes in a case that he decided in 2016. If we want to show Dr. Ford respect, we give her the respect of having her case heard and the evidence looked at. I look at it as, what are you hiding? What would it hurt? If Judge Kavanaugh is so sure that he has this corroborating evidence and what this calendar means and what these things mean, then what is he afraid of if we just spend 1 week looking at the evidence? What I have heard today just adds to this. When I heard this sanctimonious talk about some kind of a political strategy, well, I'll give you Exhibit A, Merrick Garland, who was delayed for nearly 10 months. You talk about a nominee getting off the floor when all we're asking for is 1 week for an investigation, and you kept Merrick Garland away from this committee for 10 months? That's not even a comparison.